What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Dive Addiction. Today is just going to be a quick one. We're going to talk about backfitting, and we're going to start off with Travis doing it wrong, and then we're going to switch to me doing it right. Now, if you watch Travis's left fin, he's not getting anywhere near parallel to the ground. He's not doing a good push out. You want the fin straight out behind you when you do your push out, and that way when you turn him out to the side and do the pull back, you get a much farther pull back, and you're not stopping yourself or pushing yourself forward with your kick out. Now we're going to switch over to me, and I'll show you how it's done going backwards. You're going to make sure that you're getting your fins parallel to the ground, you're putting them together, you're pushing them straight back behind you. You're going to want your head up, your knees up, your feet up, and your chest down. You want to make sure that you're getting the water above you when you're doing that backwards frog kick, so you're not creating any turbulence on you. And that's how it's done right there, guys. Appreciate you watching. Until next time, I'll catch you in the water.